Introducing the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional Upright Vacuum, a versatile cleaning solution designed to meet the diverse needs of modern households. With its innovative lift-away functionality, advanced anti-allergen technology, and user-friendly features, this vacuum promises efficient and thorough cleaning performance. Ideal for pet owners, its powerful suction capabilities effectively tackle pet hair and dander, while the swivel steering ensures easy maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. Complete with a range of accessories and a generous dust cup capacity, this vacuum offers convenience, reliability, and superior cleaning results for a pristine home environment. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Lift-away functionality. This vacuum impresses with its versatile cleaning capabilities. With its detachable pod, cleaning above-floor areas like stairs and furniture becomes effortless. This feature enhances the vacuum's usability, providing users with flexibility and convenience. Number 2. Anti-Allergen Complete Seal. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this vacuum ensures efficient allergen capture, trapping up to 99.9% of dust and allergens inside. This is particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers, as it helps maintain cleaner air quality within the home environment. Number 3. Brushroll Shutoff. Transitioning from deep carpets to bare floors is seamless with the Brushroll Shutoff feature. Users can instantly adjust settings for optimal cleaning performance, making it suitable for various floor types without causing damage or inconvenience. Number 4. Perfect for pet owners. Pet owners will appreciate the vacuum's ability to effectively pick up pet hair and loose debris. Additionally, its deep cleaning capabilities remove dander from upholstery and other surfaces, ensuring a cleaner living space for both pets and their owners. Number 5. Swivel Steering. Maneuvering this vacuum around tight spaces, corners, and furniture is effortless thanks to its swivel steering feature. This enhances overall usability, allowing users to navigate the vacuum with ease for thorough cleaning sessions. Number 6. Extra large capacity dust cup. With a generous 0.87-liter capacity dust cup, users can enjoy longer cleaning sessions without the hassle of frequent emptying. The easy-to-remove dust cup facilitates quick debris disposal, saving time and effort during cleaning tasks. Number 7. Crevice tool and dusting brush. The inclusion of a crevice tool and dusting brush enhances the vacuum's versatility, allowing users to access hard-to-reach areas and clean delicate surfaces with precision. From corners and baseboards to fans and keyboards, these accessories cater to various cleaning needs. Number 8. Included components. Alongside this vacuum, users receive additional accessories such as the pet power brush, dusting brush, and 8 crevice tool, further enhancing the vacuum's functionality and value. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 14.96 inches length by 11.4 inches width by 45.5 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional Upright Vacuum stands out as a top choice for homeowners seeking a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. Its innovative features, including lift-away functionality, anti-allergen seal, and versatile accessories, ensure thorough cleaning on various surfaces. Whether dealing with pet hair, allergens, or everyday debris, this vacuum delivers consistent performance and convenience. With its durable construction and user-friendly design, it's a valuable addition to any household, promising to maintain a clean and healthy living environment for years to come. Choose this vacuum for superior cleaning results and unmatched reliability. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.